If you go to bed and do it, just make exciting myself a little.
Okay.
So we better I'll just call it a day.
Aye. See, if it's us here for us, right.
The roller,
Aye.
well, when you're shoeing on soles, I like to get them well soaked, and then you put them through the roller
Oh, right.
to squeeze out the surplus wire. The white settlers is the guy that come in and packed their tail, but I think if he didn't have cash, you'd have just bought it there and then.
Again. Right, thank you very much.
Is that the same as hell?
Biggie. Same.
You're not close up. It's just as my uncle said, unless you're supposed to smoke. Every time a Charlie comes down, they're thinking of riding off that bench. No, I said, I wouldn't get to nothing then.
In mud?
No, never said that time.
Oh no. No.
No, I'm not intending to take an hand for this at all.
Mm-hmm.
But my father died. No, I advertised the business. Not once. So I had to leave Academy Turk. Just carry on until the army decided they wanted me. So I spent a couple of years holiday in there.
In mud here.
Well, in mud, I'm into my 40th year.
Is a Souter here? Is that right? In this premises? And what was this premises before you?
Long to Henderson.
Oh, aye. And was he as long a Souter here, like?
Well, his father was before him,
Oh, aye.
but full long. They said this property was about 50 years old when I took it over.
Ah, right. Aye.
So it would have been split between the two of them.
Aye. And you're still as busy today as you've been since you
Well,
started?
I'm busier. There's never bearers left.
Again.
And the amount of new faces I'm seeing and the distance that they're coming,
Again.
I can see now I get decide to retire later.
Has the shoemakering changed at all?
Oh,
The way you repair shoes now, has that changed?
oh, at one time, but the only way you fix the soles riveted on. There's no insoles now to rivet on, I think, though.
No.
Just cardboard. So it's mostly all just stitching and glue.
Aye. Is that easier or is it more difficult?
Well, it can be a problem at times. There's many man-made stuffs now.
All right.
It's a problem in which cement to use on it. So, once or twice, bears coming back, soles not sticking. So just in case I try a different cement and hope.
Right. You get a lot of folk for the mart here, though, would you?
Oh, no.
No. But you would have in the earlier days.
Oh, yes.
Aye. So in the earlier days, the mart day, like a Wednesday and a Thursday, I suppose, would be in your busiest days, would it?
Oh, the Wednesday. Well, they did the mart here, you see, the hill thing, in the one day.
Aye.
And they were getting an awful lot bigger numbers than they have now.
Aye.
And since they split it onto the Tuesday and Wednesday, both days are just spoiled.
Mm-hmm.
They're finished at the March for 12 o'clock, so it's just a case of I never a car and home for the dinner. Nowadays, I can't get in here news and a drink in a bar.
No. So you've seen a lot of changes in Mod.
Quite a few.
Right.
Oh well, Sandy Duncan, the butcher, he's still working with his son.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, I'd be the longest established.
Aye. So, fun, it was 50 years ago, it's 1940s, during the wartime you started here?
After the war, yes.
Just after the war. So you didn't have any army boots to repair and that, or?
Oh no.
No, that was all finished. Oh well.